When was the last time you cleaned your dryer vent? Clear that lint out fast and on your own with Smart House Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. It's simple. First, purchase either the 20-foot or 30-foot option. Then screw the rods together. Attach the brush head, insert into the dryer vent, and turn clockwise. For faster cleaning, use the included drill attachment, making sure to always turn the drill toward the right. The rods are sturdy yet flexible to ensure quick and effective cleaning. Clogged dryer vents can cause a fire. Protect your home. Order the Smart House Kit today.
That was easy.